Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do a geometry lesson today, chapter 3 and 4 lesson project today. And it's got a 72 point here, 72 point worth of constructions here. And we got 0 points here of notebook taking today. So balancing shapes, the objective today of this construction lesson is to find the balance points of triangles and other shapes. And then the materials we need for this lesson will be a cardboard, straight edge, scissors, paper clip, and also a paper punch. Okay, so today is how to find a balance point for like say a triangle. So to do that, we're going to draw a large triangle on a piece of cardboard and cut it out. Punch holes in the triangle near the vertices, like here. Here's a vertices there, vertices there, and then a vertices here. Punch holes with your hole punch. And then tie a weight and paper clip to the ends of a string. Hang your triangle from the paper clip. Mark the vertical line the string makes on the triangle. So what does that mean? It means like for here, here's your paper clip. You're hanging that. You're hanging your triangle from the paper clip, and then your string, you're letting it hang down. You're using your pencil here as a weight. So you're letting your string hang down, and then you're tracing a line here where the string hangs down from this vertices right here. You tie your string into that hole, you hang it from that hole, and then you let your pencil hang down, and then you write a line right here where the string hangs down. And then repeat step 2 with the other holes you made. Then balance the triangle on a pencil. The balance point should be close to where the lines intersect. So it should look something like that. You should come where these lines intersect here, where that line goes like that, this line goes like that, this line goes like that. They should cross right here. That should be your balancing point. And then to test it, try to balance it on the tip of your pencil eraser like that. Okay, investigation here. Use the steps above to find a balance point of a right triangle, not just any old triangle. An equilateral triangle and a scalene triangle. What are the lines you drew on the cardboard called? Question, fill in the box here. What is the balance point of a triangle called? Fill in the box here for that as well. 8 points here for that. Investigation number 2, cut out the shapes like the ones below. Use the steps above to find their balance point. So you have holes here where you're going to hang your these quadrilaterals from. And then trace lines to find out where they cross. That will be your balance point. Then analyze the lines you drew, make a conjecture. Remember conjectures? Make a conjecture about the balance points in relation to diagonals. So you're going to have diagonals in here, and then hang them. I mean, do that as an experiment, and then make a conjecture about the balance points of these quadrilaterals. 8 points here too. Put that in your box here. Your conjecture. And then number 3, cut out and find the balance points of these shapes as well. Is the balance point at the intersection of the diagonals? Put that in your text box here for that as well. Number 4, cut out some shapes of your own choice. Find a balance point. So write in the shapes here, write what your balance points were for those. And then present your results. Write a report about balancing shapes. I mean, you don't have to have a cover like this. But write up like a report. You should have like 3, 4, 5 pages. Include your answers to exercises 1 through 4 in your report. This is 16 points here, your report, and number 4 up here. Include your answers. Write a report. It's got to be bigger than this, but I mean, you can write some comments here. And then explain how to find the balance points for various shapes. Again, write that down in here. If you want to use a cover like this, be my guest, but you don't have to. And 6 points to explain how to find the balance points of various shapes. And then create a mobile of the shapes you cut. What's a mobile? Well, for each shape, tie a knot in a string, thread the string through a hole at the balance point until the string stops at the knot. Hang all of your shapes from one string. So you have like a hanging, kind of like sculpture garden. Or hang them from different strings and tie the strings to a coat hanger. That'd be cool. Be creative, color, or decorate the shapes. Put some art on the shapes. 12 points for that. Here's an example here of what is called a mobile. This mobile includes horizontal red and yellow plates that hang from their balancing points. So balancing points are crucial here for creating a mobile. And it was first done by an American sculptor, Alexander Calder, creator of the first mobiles. So hang your stuff up in the classroom or whatever. Put your comments in this box here. 8 points for doing this extension here. And that is your chapter 3 and 4 project. Thank you very much.